everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create smooth carousel animation in Figma. Let's jump into Figma and get started. First, take your images and align them in circular pattern. Use a circle shape as a reference to maintain perfect alignment. Once done, remove the circle, select all the images and frame them together. Next, bring these images inside a frame. Duplicate the frame. Now align all the images in the center of the first frame. Now duplicate the second frame. Change the size of the center image, add the description, add the background image. Now duplicate the frame, resize the center image. Now rotate the image frame, change the size of the center image, change the description and the background image. Repeat this process for all the frames. Once all the frames are ready, switch to prototype mode. Connect the first frame to second using after delay with Smart Animation and slow curve effect. Then link the second frame to third with after delay of 1 millisecond. For third frame to fourth frame, use the on-drag interaction. Continue connecting all the frames in the same manner for a seamless animation. And that's how you create an engaging carousel animation in Figma. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe for more Figma tutorials. Till then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.